Looking for the best eco-friendly laundry detergents that are gentle on your clothes, skin, and the planet? We've got the top picks just for you. 7th generation. Known for its plant-based formula and biodegradable ingredients, this detergent is free from chlorine bleach and synthetic fragrances, making it perfect for families with sensitive skin. Next is Molly Suds, a safe choice for washing baby clothes or for anyone with allergies. Made with sodium citrate and other natural ingredients, this powder cleans clothes effectively without toxic chemicals. If you want a high-tech solution, try Dirty Labs. Their detergents use enzyme technology to break down stains, offering powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals like phosphates or sulfates. For those looking for a plastic-free option, Meliora laundry powder is a great pick. It's Safer Choice certified, meaning it's free from artificial fragrances and harsh chemicals, while still being tough on stains. Next, we have Earth Breeze, a zero-waste detergent sheet that eliminates plastic waste and is super convenient for small spaces or travel. Like Earth Breeze, True Earth offers laundry sheets in plastic-free packaging. These biodegradable sheets dissolve easily in cold or warm water and are perfect for high-efficiency washing machines. Last but not least, Zoom Laundry Soap. Infused with essential oils, Zoom provides a natural fragrance while avoiding optical brighteners and toxic chemicals. It's perfect for those who love a subtle, lingering scent on their clothes. Ready to make the switch to a cleaner, greener laundry routine? Pick one of these top eco-friendly detergents and help protect your family and the planet. See the products in the description box. Thanks for watching.